Lely, and today we are going to make a BLACKPINK notebook. So on my Photoshop, I'm going to resize the image that I want to make as the cover. So it's going to be 5.8 for the width and 7.9 for the length. Now we are going to cut it using our cutting tool, and I'm going to extend it a little bit to the left so it's where the spiral will go eventually. And I'm going to color it pink just because it's BLACKPINK. Now that it's prepared, next we are going to paste it on a paper document. So mine is A4 in size, and then I'll just have to extend it to the size of the notebook. Rotate it like this so that you'll be able to fill in 2 covers in 1 page. I use a photo paper for this, alright, because it's more colorful and vibrant.
I also printed on regular paper, and this will be inserts of our notebook.
Alright, so it's now time to cut the pages into 2. Okay, the covers, and then the pages inside. And I also cut 2 pieces of colored paper, and they will be the first pages of our notebooks. Okay, next, so we have to remove the spiral of the notebook that we're going to be using. You can also use recycled notebooks, the ones from your old notebooks as well. Okay. So once the spring is already removed, we just have to set aside the pages, and we're going to use the back cover to use as a template to trim the edges of the front cover. Just an advice in cutting using a cutter. So as much as possible when you're cutting, don't push too hard, because when you do, the edges tend to be more jagged. But when you use light strides, the edges are more precise and more straight. Okay? Okay, so this part is optional, but if you want to protect your cover from dirt and from smudge, better use a photo top. So a photo top is a kind of adhesive that you put on your pictures so they would be protected from dirt and all. So what you need to do is to place the picture. It has to be like this, facing down, and then slightly press from left to right. And then you just have to push to remove the air bubbles. Use your ruler or credit card in pressing for better results. Next, we just have to trim off the excess photo top. Okay, so the next thing we will do is to punch holes on the sides where the spiral will go through, and we are going to be using a single puncher. We are going to use the back cover as a template. Alright? And also don't forget to make sure that the shiny side is facing backwards, okay? And if you don't have a puncher, you can just use like scissors. I super recommend using a clip to hold on together the pages, because if you're not going to use a clip, your hands could get wobbly and the holes won't be aligned and it won't look good. Okay, it's all done, and we just have to do the same on the others. It's now time for the most exciting part, and that is stacking the pages together. Put them in whatever order you like. Of course, you have to put the cover first, and then the inserts, and then the empty leaves that we put aside earlier. Okay, stack them together. And finally, don't forget about the back cover. And finally, all we need to do is to put back the spiral. Finally, our finished product, a BLACKPINK notebook. So I'm sure my niece is going to love this. I'm sure she'll be more inspired to make her homework and do schoolwork, because she will be able to see the beautiful faces of her K-pop idols. So I hope I also inspired you to make your own K-pop notebook, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.